Oh my god, I love this collection. It's so cool. Oh my god, look at this clock. Oh my god, I
Slippy,
love
slippy,
this clock.
slippy, slippy.
Oh my god. Oh my
Slippy, slippy,
collection.
slippy,
I
slippy.
need more. I need more clocks. Oh my god. I need more. I need more clocks. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to my friend. And see if
Slippy,
he wants
slippy,
to.
slippy, slippy.
Hey,
Slippy,
wake up! It's
slippy.
morning.
What?
Hold up.
Guys, this thing's so loud.
No.
Hey,
Jibby, remember? It's tornado
Hold up.
season.
I'm going back to bed.
It's tornado season.
Too early.
It's tornado season.
Wait, what?
Jerry? It's tornado season.
What? It's tornado season?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love tornado season. Let's go get our car and turn it into a storm chasing vehicle.
You
I
guys are
think we already
being
did that.
loud.
Hey,
Pause.
Wood, wanna storm chase us? We're gonna chase some tornadoes.
That sounds dangerous, but okay.
Look what I made my Jeep into.
Trust me, there's a lot of storm chasers. They even made special vehicles for them.
Yes.
Okay. Why not?
Whoa, this is so amazing.
This is one of my vehicles. I made it all by myself.
Awesome.
It's called Tornado Hunter.
Yes, yes. Let's see my car.
That's Frosty the Snowman, not a car.
Ah!
We caught this one double caked. It has spikes from his nose.
I am stuck. Help.
Oh, okay.
Wait, is that a storm?
Yeah,
Over
there's
there?
a storm happening. A storm.
It looks like it could be producing some supercells, which could turn into a tornado, so we should probably be careful.
Yeah, we should get in, please. Just get in here.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're good. Let me check the weather.
Where's Triple G at?
I don't know. I think he went somewhere else to storm chase. But it's getting
Hopefully
pretty dark.
Okay.
It's getting dark. Oh shoot.
Boy.
Oh shoot. It's getting
Turning
foggy.
purple.
It's getting
This
real
can't
foggy.
be good.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
What is it?
Oh shoot. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it.
Oh my
We're in
god.
it. Don't
my
down,
God.
down, get down, get down, get down.
I'm
Get down, get down, get down.
I'm literally trying.
It's breaking the windows. It's breaking the windows.
Oh my god.
Ah, you broke the floor.
Oh my god, we need to jump. We need to get out.
It's sucking us in. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
I'm getting cold.
Jesus, save us.
Help us.
Oh my gosh. Come on, hurry up, Spike. Oh my gosh.
Help
Oh.
us. Jesus, save
My
us.
Spike.
Help.
Help.
My Spike. Let's go.
Help. Alex,
Thank God.
getting
300 miles per hour. 300 miles. 300 miles. 300 miles. 300 miles. 400.
behind you, Alex. Grab my hand, please. Grab my hand. Pull me in. Pull me in.
500 miles per hour.
I think Void is in there.
This is
Help.
the biggest wedge EF5.
Oh shit. We left Void behind. No.
Oh,
Help me.
oh, we're surviving it. 600 miles per hour.
Ah.
500.
It's going away.
400. It jumped to 1,000. No.
I can't fly.
These are gonna be my lights right here.
Okay. Oh my god. Where am I? Have I been stranded again? Oh boy. Could take days to get back. Guess we better start walking. See the city in the distance. Okay. Oh, it's the hotel. Oh my god. Guys! Guys, I'm back. I made it back. Wyatt.
Hey, Jerry. Jerry, if you keep messing it up, I'm gonna explode your build.
No, we're putting his hat back on. That's why.
His hat was a little bit too big.
Back up.
Oh, this is the perfect hat. This is the perfect hat.
Winchester, stay. What are you doing?
Whoa!
No kitty.
What happened to the sky? Why does everything look worse?
Oh my god. My cat almost just made me fall.
Everything looks normal for me, bro.
Look up to the sky. I'm not sure if you see that.
See what? Oh my! Look at that tornado! Look at that!
Supercell, that is massive. I can't see the end of it. Oh my god. Look at my core. This thing is not surviving. Not at all. The whole town is not surviving.
Look how big that supercell is right there.
Oh my god. Look at my core, bro. Look what the last tornado did.
How did
What's going
Frosty?
on? What's going on?
How
over
did
here?
Frosty the Snowman survive that, bro?
We need to get into a bunker or something. Guys, come
What's
on.
going on? I'm gonna make an interceptor.
Ah. Dude, we're not making another interceptor. Ah. Okay, we need to be safe down here. I don't know what the hell
We're
here
in
is.
a bunker, so I guess we're safe.
I
But
think it's the sewers. We're gonna open this up. Ah. Okay, we're good. But I think the tornado is arriving. I think he's getting his tornado car ready for it. But I'm telling you, big tornadoes move fast, so
that just depends. Yeah.
so I think it's here. Alex, we need you down here. It's gonna form in like 10 minutes.
Come on! Hurry!
Let me deploy, bro.
We need you. Come on, climb up here. This is like move this. What is this?
What do you mean? Come on, we gotta go. The tornado's gonna start soon, and if we're not down there, we're gonna die.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
It's also super
Just
windy.
go. Just go. I got this.
No, you don't understand how strong that tornado is. 4 spikes and this thing is not gonna survive that. It's not surviving.
Well, my channel's better anyway, so you can do your own thing.
Why does that matter? Huh?
it matters because
You think because your channel's better, everything matters, huh? We're in a tornado. We're gonna die in here if we don't.
Guys,
Stop
come on. We don't have
making
time to argue. We need to get in the bunker now before we all die.
us
just go in the
fine.
bunker. I can do
Just
it.
being a slowpoke and doesn't want to go down here.
You do your thing. We're gonna go down in the bunker and be safe.
What's that?
Well, now we just need to wait.
I'm gonna go get some food and resources before the tornado comes.
Yeah, we should have done that before. Let's go. Anyway, so can I not go
Let me
upstairs?
take all the food that they have.
Okay. I'll just.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't.
Yeah, I think we have enough food.
Spikes I have.
Good luck to you. Okay.
I'm
Let's
deployed.
have
My vid was too good for them.
That's totally the right way to spell C.
I would intercept this. And now I have the most legendary. Oh!
The tornado must be here.
I think it's coming.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shoot! It's getting right from here.
Wait, we're in the sewers. That means all the water from the rain is gonna come down here.
Well, we need to close it up then. Block it up! Block it up! Block it
Okay.
up! I blocked it up.
Okay.
Get down! Get down! I think. Oh my God! Pray for that man. He's gonna die.
Yep.
I'm
we
gonna
should
drink some voices because I'm thirsty.
I want to intercept it. My car's strong enough.
No, it's not. You don't understand how big and strong that thing is. You're gonna get lifted.
I'm not gonna get lifted.
Yes, you will. Hi, everyone. Oh no. How's the metal?
Bro, I'm not gonna get
breaking?
lifted, bro.
The metal's breaking. How the hell is it breaking? We're underground.
It's probably the wind force.
It's so strong. It's breaking underground stuff.
Oh my. Our first interceptor survived, but my second one didn't. Bro,